Welcome back to my channel Enjoy Literature. So today we are going to do formal letter. This okay. So to editor we are going to do formal letter, and first of all let's discuss about the format of formal letter to editor. So first we have to write the sender's address, means your address. If some many times the address is given in the question of paper, a formal letter, you have to write that address. If not given, so you have to write yours address. Okay, then comes date. By leaving one line you have to write date of that day on which you are writing the letter. Okay, so next is the receiver's address. Receiver's address means to whom you are writing the address. Then main thing, which is subject. Subject is that on which topic you are going to start the letter or you are going to write the letter. Then salutation like sir, respected sir, I have written too, but you can write respected ma'am or respected madam or ma'am. So then the body of letter, you have not to leave one line after salutation, then start body, and then at last remember not to write thank you or thanking you. Okay, not to write thank you or thanking you, because it is wrong in editor's letter, and you have to write only yours truly or yours sincerely. After your paragraphs can be completed in three, your letter can be completed in 3 paragraphs. Okay, then at last you can write looking forward for a prompt action, then you have to write yours truly, this yours truly, and you can also write yours sincerely this. And फिर आपको एक लाइन भी नहीं छोड़नी है, उसके बाद अगर आपको नेम दिया गया है तो आप वो नेम लिखोगे, और अगर आपको नेम नहीं दिया गया है तो आप अपना नेम लिखोगे. ओके, सो if given, so you have to write the name which is given in the statement, and then you have to write the name which if you have to write the name of yours if it is not given. Okay, so let's move towards a example, which is this. The condition of fraud in our city is pathetic. Write a letter to the editor of a newspaper to highlight the matter. You are Vani, 21, Malviya Nagar, Chennai. So here this is given us Malviya Nagar and Chennai. Okay. So this is given to us, and here also the name is also given, this Vani. Okay. So first we have to write the sender's address, 21 Malviya Nagar, Chennai. Okay. Then you have to write the date. Date you have written. Then by leaving one line you have to write the receiver's address, which is the editor I have written, because we have to write to the editor. As you can see here, write a letter to editor is written. So you have to write the editor. E and T of the and editor should be capital. Okay. And then the Tribune, I have written Tribune. You can write any newspaper name like Hindustan Times, Times of India, etc. So after that you have to write Chandigarh. I have written Chandigarh because here Delhi can be also. I have written Chandigarh because Tribune is published there, Chandigarh and Delhi. So you have to write where the newspaper is published. This is the receiver's address. So let's move forward. That is subject. Subject you have to write like the question was given. So I have written pathetic condition of frauds. Then comes the salutation. By leaving one line you have to write the salutation. Salutation like sir I have written. You can write also respected sir, etc. Then you have to write the body. In body, you can write at the starting that through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities towards the pathetic condition of roads in my city. So here I have written, I would like to draw the attention of concerned authorities. But here if there is a question of general public, अगर आपको general public को कुछ बताना है तो आप you will write here, you will write general public. Okay, then towards the pathetic condition of, then the condition which is there in your city Okay, so you have to write that, or you can write subject also. Then this is complete body. Then at the last of body you can write this. Through your newspaper, I appeal to the Chennai Municipal Corporation to take immediate step to do the necessary. So आप ये लिख सकते हो. Then after leaving one line, no, thanking you, you have to not write. Okay. Then you have to leave one line after you have completed your paragraphs. Then this is the ending. Yours truly or yours sincerely you can write. I have written yours truly. Then by not leaving one line, you have to write Vani. I am saying Vani because here this is given, name is given Vani. Okay. So you have to write Vani. If name is not given, so you will write your name. And address is also not given, so you will write your address. Okay. So understand? So there is a homework also for you, which is you have to write the format of letter in comment. Okay. So like, share and comment our video, and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can have more updates of these interesting videos and you can learn more. So thank you for watching our video.